welcoming round of applause. We all welcome Ms. Padmini Kolhapure and Mr. Kishore Bhanushali amongst us. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for gracing this wonderful evening. Well, good evening, everyone. I'm Jyoti, your host for the evening. A very warm and heartiest welcome to one and all. We are grateful and delighted to have you here, knowing that many of you have traveled long distances, and it serves to remind us that how important this event is. It's our honor to have amongst us Mr. Kishore Bhanushali, a versatile actor. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for making a time to be with us this evening. Now, it's time to carry forward this evening. Well, it gives me an immense pleasure to tell you that All India Economy Survey Award Council has successfully organized 12 conferences in the past 9 years, and today we are witnessing ISAC's 13th conference. ISAC represents success, and getting an award by ISAC means you have added yet another feather to the story of your success. ISAC's mission is to create quality and excellence in different sectors amongst the individuals and institutions throughout the world. ISAC awards recognize the world's best economic development program and partnership and the year's most influential leaders. These awards honor organizations and individuals for their efforts in creating positive change in every sector. In short, winners are recognized at ISAC conference. Well guys, it's a great privilege to welcome our chief guest for the evening, the very versatile and talented actors of the Bollywood industry, Ms. Padmini Kolhapure and Mr. Kishore Bhanushali. We all are indeed grateful to both of you for graciously and readily accepting our invitation. We thank you for sparing some moments from your busy schedules and grace the event with your presence.
I would like to congratulate all the awardees and for the excellent work you are doing, to go to the interiors, to get people who are doing great work for the society. It's very tough. There are many people out there. बहुत लोग हैं जो छोटे छोटे लेवल पे बड़े बड़े लेवल पे काम कर रहे हैं, तो उन सब को ढूंढ कर यहाँ ला रहे हैं और उनको अवार्ड दिया जा रहा है उनको. आई थिंक एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हम भी, जैसे हम कलाकारों को हम काम करते हैं, लोगों का प्यार मिलता है, आशीर्वाद मिलता है, हम बहुत खुश होते हैं. लेकिन जब हमें अवार्ड मिलता है तो आई थिंक इट पुट्स अस ऑन अनदर लेवल. I think it just kind of reinstates the work that you have done and the love and the admiration people have for you. So I think it's a great day for you all, and I would like to congratulate each one of you, all the awardees, and for all the effort. I think it's a huge effort that's gone in this setup, in this entire program. And I'm really, really proud to be part of this event today, this function, this program, this ISAC award evening today. Thank you very much, and I think I myself feel like a great achiever today. Thank you very much.
Next category of awards, which is the Shining Images of India. This award is for outstanding individual achievements and distinguished services to the nation. Now it's a time to announce the name of the awardee. May I request Mr. R.P. Sharma, IPS Commissioner of Police, Bhubaneswar, to kindly come on stage and receive this award. Briefly describing his journey, he has served as an anti-corruption and crime prevention expert. He was responsible for providing technical assistance on implementation of UN Convention Against Corruption. Recently, he has introduced a free Android app called MoSathi and Pink Auto Project. He has also set up Women Support Center, namely Madhyam, for women's safety in Bhubaneswar and Cuttack. His loyalty towards his work and patriotism towards the country makes him the ISAC award winner. Very many congratulations to you, sir.
I feel honored and privileged that I am in this function where very distinguished persons have been awarded for their good works in different fields. So it's a very happy moment for me. I find that people, eminent people from different fields, especially from medicine and education and private sectors, those who have excelled in their works, kind of a very distinguished company, which I enjoyed with all these people. I myself, being from a medical background originally, I felt so good that many doctors have been recognized for their services.